Okay guys, so pretty excited to show you this next product. Found this while I was surfing eBay looking for parts for my Polaris Ranger 900. Come across this awesome shift handle. This is aluminum. It replaces the factory plastic shift handle. You can see it's black anodized and it's got Polaris engraved into it. And this is from a company called RCM shift knobs. I'll have a link in the description so you can go check this out. He's got a website and he sells on eBay. And from what I can see so far with how he packed this, he really cares about his product. The shifter actually came in this little pouch and it was wrapped in like a napkin material. And guys, you just don't see that these days. Someone caring that much to send their product this way. But he has different shifters. He can engrave. I guess he can do custom engraving for you if you want that. But he's got razor shifters. And I believe he makes shifters for all the major brands out there. This is for Polaris. I think it'll fit most Polaris shifters. But you can contact him and find one for your machine. Or if you want a custom one. And it looks really nice, guys. I think I'm going to like the feel of this thing. It fits my hand really well. And along with packing it really nice, he sends some instructions for you so you know how to install it. I'm going to show you how to install this, guys. It's pretty simple. It's just got some set screws there and you slide it on. And he also sends the Torx wrench that you're going to need to take off the factory handle and the Allen wrench to install the new handle. So he pretty much sets you up. So all you have to do is take your old one off, put your new one in. You ain't got to look for wrenches. You ain't got to do anything but take your box into your Ranger and install it. So enough of the babbling. Let's get to installing this. Okay guys, so the installation of this shifter handle is pretty darn simple. First off, you got to take your old shifter or your original factory shifter handle off. And what you need to do is you need to pry off the top part of the shifter. And it's just a little cap. And you just need a little screwdriver. And you can do this without damaging anything. So you can put this back when you sell your machine, or if you want to go back to the factory handle, you can do that at any time, guys. So once that's off, there is a screw in here that needs to be taken off. Okay guys, like I said before, he actually sends the tool to be able to take this off. So you just unscrew it. You ain't got to look for anything. You ain't got to buy a Torx bit set. He's got it all ready for you. So once the screw's out, you pull up on the handle, pull the factory handle off. Okay guys, so now that the old shifter's out of the way, you're going to install the new shifter. You can see the set screws right here. They are going to go towards the front of the Ranger. You're going to slide this on over the existing shifter. And then you're going to tighten the bottom one first. And in the instructions it says the bottom one is a safety one. He wanted two, I guess, for safety. Then you're going to tighten the top one. and you've got an awesome shifter, guys. That is so cool. The reason why I went with this handle is if you've ever shifted these newer Rangers, they actually shift a little stiff. And I wanted something that I could really grab a hold of and shift. And guys, that's going to be nice. That is really going to be nice. I'm going to enjoy this. Okay guys, just went for a run with the Ranger with the new shifter handle. And I gotta say, I like it better than the original one. Lot more area for me to grab here, and I can grab it and shift it. Like I said, these shift kind of stiff, and I mean, it doesn't get much more simpler on the install, guys. And it looks awesome. So that's gonna do it for me, guys. I want to thank RCM shift knobs for sending the shifter out to me. Really like it. Guys, go get yourself one of these, and I'll see you in the next one.